I know the place. I
I've
know.
never gone there.
Near
I
the
was
church.
in one school.
Near the church.
Yeah,
I know that place. It's very far.
we try for you.
Huh?
We try for you.
Which tribe? I'm from Philippines. I'm not Chinese. Magandang araw mga kabayan. Dito nga pala malapit dito sa may workshop namin, doon sa side na yon. Araw-araw yan tuwing bago mag alas 2 ng hapon, nakikita ko yung mga estudyante dumadaan. Kaya nung isang araw, pinatanong ko kay James kung anong oras ba yung uwian nila. Ipinatanong ko lang kay James kung anong oras ba sila nag-uumpisa at kung anong oras yung tapos nila. At kung saan ba yung eskwelahan nila. Ang sabi nila, nag-i-start daw sila ng alas 7 ng umaga at ang uwian nila 1:30 ng hapon. Kaya pala pag dumadaan sila dito, bago mag alas 2.
How far it is?
Maybe around 5 kilometers
Yeah, maybe.
from here.
Nobody knows.
I know the place. I
I've
know.
never gone there.
Near
I was
the church.
in one school.
Near the church.
Yeah,
I know that place. It's very far.
we try for you.
Huh?
We try for you.
Which tribe? I'm from Philippines. I'm not Chinese. Dalawang grupo ng estudyante yung laging dumadaan dito sa may malapit sa amin. Yung naka-green at itong mga nakaputi. Yung school daw nila, halos magkalapit lang. Parehas malapit doon sa may Roman Catholic Church. At doon sa may Catholic Church, meron ding school doon. Marami sa kanila mga malalaki na, pero mga elementary pa pala yung mga yon. Primary school. Kaya yun ang gusto kong topic natin ngayon. Kung ano ba yung pagkakaiba nung sa school sa atin at yung school nila dito. Napapansin nyo na naman siguro, karamihan sa mga tao dito, kung hindi kalbo, maiksing-maiksi yung buhok. Babae at lalaki yan. Dito kasi sa kanila, pag nag-umpisang mag-aral yung mga bata, babae at lalaki, puro kalbo yan. Ganun ang patakaran dito. Nakakapagpahaba lang sila ng buhok sa university na. Pag college na nila, pagkatapos nung secondary school. Saka lang sila pwedeng magpahaba ng mga buhok. Kaya nga lang, dahil nakasanayan na nila yung maiksi ang buhok, marami pa rin sa kanila, mini-maintain na nila yung ganun. Dito yung schooling nila, halos parehas pala sa atin. Dahil sa atin ngayon, di ba, 12 years na. Dati 10 years lang yan, mula elementary hanggang high school. Ngayon, 12 years na yata. At kung isasama yung kinder, magiging 13 years. Dito naman sa kanila, 8 years yung sa primary education at 4 years yung sa secondary education. Kaya 12 years din. Bukod yung pag maliliit pa, meron sila ditong tinatawag na baby school. Tatlo yun eh. Tatlo yung sinabi nila na bago mag primary education. Kaya kung isasama yon, mas mahaba yung sa kanila dito. Kaya nga lang yung baby school na tinatawag nila, mga masyado pa daw maliliit yun, mga 3 years old pa lang daw yun. Inuumpisahan ng dalhin sa school. Hello, Doctor.
Yeah, Peter.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm okay.
Yeah.
Tomorrow holiday.
Oh, that's good for you, but for us, we don't go for holidays.
You're working tomorrow.
Yeah. We're going to
Doctor,
yes, Peter.
here in South Sudan,
Mm.
how long is the schooling here? Like primary school, secondary school?
Like if it is in primary school, it's like it's been like 8 years when we are still in primary school, from primary 1 up to primary 8. But if you join nursery, then like 9 years, 2 years when you are in baby class, and then they meet the top class. When you reach top class, then you will be graduated.
And then going to primary one.
To primary one, yeah.
Ah.
Yeah.
And then secondary school,
Secondary school is like 4 years.
4 years.
Yes.
Ah,
And university, it depends like the course that you are going to certify it, like in like medicine will take long like 6 years.
medicine.
Medicine.
But
yeah.
mostly the other courses, four
Those
years.
of like business and even rural development. Other
Engineers.
course, engineers
6.
yeah.
So it's long years also for schooling.
How about you guys?
In Philippines, before during my time,
Mm.
primary school is 6 years.
6 years, huh?
6 years. The kindergarten is separate. We don't include that one in the primary school.
Mm.
So in primary school, 6 years. And then secondary school, 4 years.
4 years.
4 years
mean-
before. But now they change.
they change the
They
curriculum.
change. Also the secondary school, they make it 6 years also.
6 years.
So 6 years,
Like
6
in
years.
like in Uganda, when you are in secondary school, from 6 years it will cost like 6 years.
Mm.
In 6 years when you are in secondary school, but if you are in primary school, 7 years.
Mm.
But for us here in South Sudan, like
8
in
years,
8 years
4
and 4
years.
years, and in
And-
university defend the course that you are
Ah.
fit. Yeah,
Okay, thank you.
yeah, no, no.
So almost the same like in the Philippines.
Yeah, that is same. Yeah.
Pero marami sa kanila dito, ang sinasabi nila, hindi daw maganda yung quality ng pagtuturo dito. Kaya yung mga may pera talaga, yung mga anak nila sa labas ng bansa nila pinag-aaral yan. Marami daw nasa Uganda, sa Kenya, yung mga big time talaga sa US, sa mga ganong lugar na. At sa pagkain naman, dito hindi kagaya sa atin na yung mga bata kanya-kanyang dala ng pagkain o kaya naman may baong pera. Kapag recess o kaya yung break time, bahala sila kung saan nila gustong kumain. Sa atin ganyan. Dito, lahat ng estudyante pare-parehas yung kinakain. Yung eskwelahan ang magluluto para sa kanila. At yun namang budget para sa pagkain nila, depende daw sa eskwelahan yon. Mayroong mga eskwelahan na yung mga estudyante bawat buwan pinagdadal sila ng kung ilang kilong harina, basta yung mga gagamitin para sa pagkain nila. Lahat daw ng estudyante yon pinagdadala ng ganon. Meron namang mga eskwelahan na malakas siguro sa gobyerno, nakakakuha sila ng pondo para sa pagkain ng mga estudyante. Meron namang mga eskwelahan na sagot ng mga missionaries. Marami dito mga ganon, mga eskwelahan na pinapatakbo ng mga missionaries. Doon karamihan nga libre na yung pagkain nila. At meron din daw dito mga tinatawag nilang mga boarding school. Yung mga estudyante, nag-i-stay sila doon sa may compound ng school hanggang matapos yung school year. Pero meron naman daw mga schedule para makabisita yung mga magulang, mga kaibigan ng mga estudyante. They said on boarding school you cannot go out of the compound
Yeah, you cannot go
until
out
the
until
end of the school year.
Yeah.
Mm.
Lastly, you can go holiday or what after exam, and then you reach to home for some days, and then you return back to school.
But parents can visit
Yeah,
you in the
yeah.
compound in school.
When your home is very far, the parents will come to you.
Weekly or monthly or what?
Yeah, monthly or weekly. When your parents remember you, she come to visit you.
But there's a time
Yeah,
for
there is
visiting.
there is the time.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
At yun namang tinatawag nilang baby school na 3 taon daw yon. Pagkatapos nun, meron ding graduation yung mga bata. Pati yung primary education, meron ding graduation yan. At yung secondary education, meron ding graduation yan. At ang kultura nila dito, kapag merong mga ka-graduate na mga bata, pagkatapos ng graduation, pauwi ng bahay, pinapasa nila yung graduate. Hanggang high school daw yan. Para daw sa moral nung bata. At para pamarisan din ng mga ibang bata. Dito kasi, lalo na sa mga high school na, maraming mga babae dito ang hindi na nakakatapos ng pag-aaral. Madalas daw, kahit nasa boarding school, susunduin na lang ng mga magulang dahil may asawa na daw. Ganun ang madalas daw nangyayari dito. Isa sa problema talaga nila yon. Yung isang kasamahan ko, si Mr. Duko.
Yeah.
So, Duko,
Yes,
so you're going home now?
I'm going home, yeah.
Mm.
But tomorrow I think there is work. Tomorrow we are coming for
They
CTO.
told you to work?
Yeah.
Okay.
They told me
Who
to.
told you? Christo?
Uh,
There are some jobs?
Yeah, there are some. We are
okay.
coming to finish that car.
Okay. I'm not coming.
You are not coming.
It's holiday. Okay.
Okay.
At bago ko nga pala tapusin yung video, shoutout po muna ulit tayo. Shoutout po tayo kay Edward Banyel, Neil J. Pones at kay Liwayway Flores. At sa lahat po ng mga sumusubaybay sa mga video natin, maraming salamat po. At yan lang po muna sa ngayon mga kabayan. Sana po nagustuhan nyo rin yung share ko ngayon. At maraming salamat po sa mga laging nanonood ng mga ina-upload ko.